Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be going over reverse engineering how to get your deals consistently, knowing your numbers and what number it is you need to know so that you can get your consistent deals. Now, while you're here, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so it alerts you when we upload fresh new content, and let's get rocking and rolling.
Ain't never gonna stop this fire.
I can't believe his business is so incredible, and if I could do this, every single one of you can do this. Every single one of you.
Something higher. Ain't never gonna stop this fire.
Hey guys, Cody Hofhine here with Wholesaling Inc., the #1 wholesaling coaching program in the nation. And I'm here with you today because I want to break down something that was crucial, that was a pivotal moment for me in my business. This is where I was able to really reverse engineer how many deals I wanted. So if I knew I wanted 4 deals a month, it's these KPIs, the key performance indicators. Once we go over these KPIs, you are going to know exactly what it is you need to do each and every day so you can get the number of deals that you are looking for. If you're looking for your 1 deal, 2 deals, 3 deals, whatever number it is you're looking for, we're going to reverse engineer some numbers so that you will know exactly what you need to do so that you can get the number of deals that you are looking for each and every month. So let's break this down right now. I want you to look at, these are going to be so around you. I'm just going to give you some theory behind these numbers. This is not as if like, hey, here's the numbers and this is exactly what you need to worry about. This is why you need to track your numbers. You need to track out how many mail pieces you're sending out and what's your response rate. So let's look at a couple things. Let's say your response rate is a 1% response rate, okay? For every 1,000 mailers you send out, the direct mail, the postcards, you get a 1% response rate. That equals 10 calls, okay? So you need to know these basic numbers. What's your response rate so that you know exactly how much mail you need to send out to get X amount of calls. And then there's another number you need to track. Here's one, for example, just to put it in perspective. Let's say per 100 calls, okay? So 1,000 mailers brings in 10 phone calls. So if you want 100 calls, you're gonna have to do 10,000 mailers, okay? So per 100 calls, let's say it breaks down like this, and only you will know these numbers exact for your business. But here's a perfect example of what I would track. Per 100 calls, let's say 75 of those 100 calls are simply calling you to tell you, no, take me off your list. Quit marketing to me, and they're just mad. They don't want anything to do with this. So 75 of the 100 are already telling you, nope, it's not going to work. Let's break it down more. Of the 100 calls that come in, 23 of them are maybes. Maybe just not right now. So yeah, we're thinking about selling in the future. And so they are what become your pipeline. Those are the ones you're going to follow up on. That leaves 2. Two people that say yes and motivated. They're like, yes, let's do this. Or they call you back, or they call off your postcard and they're like, hey, I got your postcard. I need to sell quick. When can you come out to my house? That's about the statistic. Per 100 phone calls, 75 of them are saying, nah, and take me off the list. I don't want to see another postcard. 23 of them are like, maybe, just now's not the right time, so they're going to be pipeline. And 2 of them are ready to go right now. So we got those 2. Let's say you want 4 deals a month. This is now reverse engineering all the numbers, the KPIs that you need to watch and you need to monitor, because if you know these numbers, you are now able to reverse engineer what it's going to take to do 4 deals. Essentially, if 10,000 postcards, we're going to do this. 100 calls equals 10,000 mailers. And remember how we did that? 1% of 10,000, because that's the response rate, is your 100 calls, okay? So you get your 100 calls, it equals this. If you want 4 deals, that netted us 2 deals. We just now need to double how much we send out. So to get 4 deals, you're gonna need to send out 20,000 mailers in a month. Are you tracking your numbers? Are you making sure that your data is telling you what you need to do? Because so many times where wholesalers fail, they fail using their own head, saying, oh, maybe I should do this, or maybe I should do that, or maybe I should invest in this, or maybe instead of direct mail, now I'm gonna do PPC, and now I'm gonna do Facebook marketing, and now I'm gonna do referral program, and now I'm gonna do this. And they start to jump all over the place. Now, I'm okay with having multiple marketing channels as long as you are firing on all cylinders on the one channel that you really want to master first. I'm not saying you have to do direct mail, but if it is direct mail, master direct mail first and foremost. Get a team member to take over it so that you can pull yourself away from it, but it's still going consistently out each and every week. Because if you can master these numbers, you will then be able to bring on a second channel. And then once you bring on that second channel, you'll have to start mastering the KPIs. What does it take? How much ad spend per PPC to get a deal? Now, if I want 3 deals, you're just gonna have to reverse engineer. It took this many dollars in PPC ad spend, and it took this many clicks, and out of this many clicks, it turned into this many deals. Know your numbers. If you'll track these KPIs, these are how you win. This is how you win each and every day. The wholesalers that are winning and consistently doing deals, it's not luck. It's not, hey, this week I did, or this month I did 2, and last month I did 0, but this next month I did 6, and then I went back to 1. The people that are consistently doing deals are the ones that take a minute to break down their numbers and know their numbers, and this is an easy key performance indicator that you can track right now. Look at your past data, look how much mail you send out or how much marketing you send out, depending on what your marketing channel is, and see what it's produced so that you can just replicate it. And make sure that if you want more deals, you're gonna have to reverse engineer on how many mail pieces you're gonna send out. If you'll do this, you're gonna get your consistent deal flow. Now, what I want you to do also, on the bottom in the comments of this video, I want you, if this is your first time listening to us, I want you to put first time in the comment section. If it is your second time or multiple times coming back, I want you to put I'm back. If you happen to have any questions about direct mail, any questions about KPIs or key performance indicators, or what numbers are very crucial to know, if you have those questions, comment down below. I read each one of these comments and respond to those comments so I can help each one of you on your wholesaling journey. At the end of the day, I want each one of you better than you were the day before. I want you to be better wholesalers. I want you to get more deals. So ask me the questions. I'll be glad to fire away, and I will see each one of you on the next YouTube video. Take care, guys.